Hi all, in this session we are going to discuss the basic selection tools in Adobe Photoshop. So right here I have opened two images, and on the right hand side you can see the layer panel. Any changes we are going to make in the layer will be reflected in this layer panel, and on the left hand side you can see the tool panel. The most commonly used tools will be displayed here, and this session will be discussing about the basic selection tools. So right here from the top we can see the move tool, rectangular marquee tool, the lasso tool, and a quick selection tool. And this four set of tools belongs to the category of selection tools. So whenever we place our cursor on a tool, the name of the tool along with the short key will be displayed here. So we can see the move tool and the corresponding short key V in the bracket. Likewise, we can see marquee tool M, lasso tool L, and the quick selection tool W here. We will see the application of these tools by doing an exercise. In this particular session we will discuss the application of the move tool and marquee tool. For that purpose I am selecting the move tool and I am going to the second image, and I am just selecting this layer. I would like to make a copy of this layer by clicking Ctrl plus Alt simultaneously. I am pressing Ctrl plus Alt key simultaneously, and we can see a particular icon is displayed here, which means we can copy this particular layer. An exact copy of this layer will be created if we click, drag, and place it on the first image. So you can see the entire copy is appearing on the first image. So the changes in the layer is reflected here. You can see a new layer number 1 added to the background of the layer panel. So by using this move tool you can move this particular layer anywhere in your frame. So we will go to the second selection tool, that is marquee tool. I am selecting this marquee tool and going to the image, and I am just making a selection. You can see the selection is displayed here in the form of dotted lines. As the name indicates, it's a rectangle selection. Then again I am going to create a copy using Ctrl plus Alt key. We can see this icon, then click, drag, and place it on the first image. You can see the particular selected region is displayed here as a copy, and the addition of that second layer is reflected here in the layer panel. Then the selection will be working based on the layers. So if I want to move the layer number 1, I will just select the move tool. If I am trying to move the layer number 1, see the selection is right here on the second layer. Then I need to select layer number 1 from this layer panel. So now I will be able to move layer number 1 with the move tool. So likewise, if you want to make any changes on a layer, you need to select that layer initially from the layer panel. So now we will move to the application of elliptical marquee tool. I have selected that tool. Right now we can see the previously made selection in the form of dotted line. If you want to deselect an area, just press Ctrl plus D. Selection is cleared right now. I am going to make selection using elliptical marquee tool. You can see the selection in the form of an ellipse. Then using the same Ctrl plus Alt key, we will get a copy of that, and in a similar process we can place it on the first image. Again you will see the reflection of the newly added layer here. Then there are two marquee tools more here, single row marquee tool and a single column marquee tool. These tools are also similar to the previous ones, but the only change is the area of selection will be a single row and a single column. We will see what is the selection area. Just select the single row marquee tool. I'm going to the second image. Just deselect the previously selected area. Click on the image. You will see a single row is selected here. If you want to check if what is the exact selection, just press the delete key. Then you will get an option to fill the selected area. So here I am selecting a particular color. Click OK. Then deselect the particular area. You will see a selection of a single row. Since we have filled that area with a new color that is appearing here. So the very basic purpose of that single row selection tool is to select a single row in a particular image. Likewise, you can select single column marquee tool. Then again we can check the selection area using a fill tool. Just press delete. You will get the dialog box to fill a color. Clicking OK and deselect the area. Then you will come across the selected area replaced with a new color. So we have the 4 marquee tools. So today we discussed the application of a move tool and marquee tools, 4 kinds of marquee tools: the rectangular marquee tool, elliptical, single row and single column. All these marquee tools do the function of selection, and the range of selection will be different according to the subset we are going to choose. That's all regarding the very basic 2 selection tools. Thank you for watching.